If you want to cancel your YouTube TV free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you do it correctly before being charged. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the YouTube TV website or open the app and sign in using the Google account associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step 2. Access settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Membership. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Membership option. This will show you details about your current subscription status, including your free trial. Step 4. Cancel free trial. Look for the option that says Cancel Trial or Cancel Membership. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for a cancellation confirmation to ensure that your trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your YouTube TV free trial before any charges occur. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to YouTube TV support.